If someone was to ask you, what is your most valuable asset, what would you say? Your house, your car, your business. Well, we all know how valuable they are, so we make sure they're insured just in case something should happen to them. But how many of us insure our biggest assets? Us.
Well, put it this way, James. If something was to happen to you that meant you couldn't work anymore, what would you or you and your family do for money?
What about people who say, oh, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I don't work in a dangerous job, I don't need insurance. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Well, we hear that a lot. But the truth is, you don't need to be working in a dangerous job to suffer an injury that puts you out of action for 6 weeks or come down with a life-threatening illness. And unfortunately, anyone can get sick, the young and the old. So yes, we certainly hope nothing happens to you, but it can't hurt to have a plan B in place on the off chance that it does.
Well, I guess one concern that people have when it comes to insurance is the cost. What do people need to consider if they are shopping around for an insurance policy?
Unless you've really thought about your insurance needs, you might only have the default level of insurance cover through your super. This could include some life insurance, total and permanent disability, and income protection. The thing is, this probably doesn't provide you with enough cover, and you don't want to find this out when it comes time to claim. So you need to work out how much cover you actually need. On the Bright Day website, there is a tool that can help you work out how much insurance you do need. You need to answer some questions about your financial position, like your salary, assets and debts, and all that. Once you've entered that information, it will give you an estimate of how much insurance you're likely to need for you or you and your family if you couldn't earn an income. Then when you apply online for an insurance quote, you'll use that information along with some other details like your job, health issues, and whether you smoke to find out how much insurance will cost you. Sometimes it can amount to a little more than a cup of coffee a day.
Life insurance basically provides a lump sum of money to your nominated beneficiary, usually your partner or your children, in the event of your death. It helps to clear any debts you might have in your name and provides financial support for anyone who might depend on your income. Total and permanent disability insurance provides cover for people who are still alive, but as the name suggests, have become disabled and unable to continue working. Again, it gives you and your family the financial backing you need when you're no longer able to earn a regular income. More often than not, you'll receive a lump sum payment. Then there's income protection, which can provide you with financial support for a period of time if you become sick or injured and unable to work. So, if you've been umming and ahhing about taking out life insurance, consider, if you can't earn income, how that might affect the people you love. Might help making that decision just a bit easier.